Hi everyone, and welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I have two unboxings for you. So the first is a pair of shoes from the brand Mach&Mach. I ordered these from the website Moda Operandi, and it was my first time getting shoes from this brand and also ordering from Moda Operandi, but the process was very fast and easy. I think the shoes arrived like 2 days after I ordered them, so it was super quick. So inside, I think there are just some extra appliques for in case they fall off the shoes, since if you know the brand Mach&Mach, a lot of their shoes have like a lot of little crystals and just a lot of embellishments. And then they come in these pink dust bags that say Mach&Mach. They are all wrapped up. Okay. To reveal these shoes. So I love the pearl detail on these shoes, as well as all the crystals, like the crystal here. They honestly just remind me of like princess shoes, so I'm definitely looking forward to wearing these for special events coming up. But yeah, and then they have this white lace detail, the pearls, and then the ankle has double wrap pearls. And then the heel has these crystal embellishments, and these shoes are only a 65mm heel, which is about 3 inches, I believe. Yeah, that looks about like 2.5 to 3 inches. So yeah, they should be very walkable. So I'm excited to wear these. And that is the first item that I'm unboxing today. Just put these to the side. So the second item is a handbag from Dior, which one of my best friends picked up for me on her trip to Spain. So thank you so much to her. I don't have any bags from Dior yet, so this is very exciting. And it's also a color of bag that I really don't have yet, so I'm also excited to add that to my collection. So with that, I will just get into the unboxing. Okay. So it comes in a white dust bag. I'll just put this to the side for now. Okay, here we go. To reveal, you can see the shape of the bag, probably as well as the color, but there's a lot of protective covering, so let me just take those off. All right, to reveal the Dior saddle bag, and the color is Latte, I believe it's called, but it's basically like a very creamy, almost white color, but I think it's probably more of like an off-white color, and it is in grained calfskin, which is very important to me since I prefer for my bags to be more durable and hard wearing, so especially with a light color, I definitely prefer to have it be more, you can see that, it's very scratch resistant, more scratch resistant and durable leather. So you can wear it as a shoulder bag like this, which is how I plan to wear it. But this is actually one of the new models, which also comes with a crossbody strap, which I think is pretty new for this style of bag. So here's the strap, which let me take out of the packaging. So I'm not sure that I'll be wearing this on the crossbody strap too much, because I was looking for this to be a shoulder bag. But I guess it's nice to have the option, especially to have it be included in the price, since I know in the past a lot of people, they would purchased those like really thick guitar straps, and those were pretty pricey, I think, for what they are. Okay, so I'm not actually really sure where you're even supposed to put it. I put it on the D, so let me put it on the D on both sides. Whoops. Okay, so, all right, and then I can tuck you in like so. So yeah, you can also wear this as a crossbody, which, I mean, I think it's nice to have that as an option if I get up a little bit. So yeah, I mean, it actually sits at a very comfortable height, I would say. I wasn't really envisioning wearing this as a crossbody bag, but now that I'm trying it on, it's actually very comfortable and nice to have that as an option. So I think as a shoulder bag, yeah, you can also wear it as a shoulder bag, which is another, like a longer shoulder bag. And then obviously the original way, which is as the short shoulder bag. So yeah, I actually am more of a fan of this long strap than I thought I would be, because I really had my heart set on it being just the short shoulder bag, but having this as an option is actually pretty handy, although I'm not sure where this part would go when you have it like that. It kind of like sticks up a bit, which is a bit awkward, but it actually looks pretty good at this height. So yeah, very nice addition. So I'm glad I guess I'm glad I waited until this generation, and then you can change the length of the strap. Right now, it's pretty much in the middle. And yeah, I think you'd have to attach it to the D because I don't know where you could put it on the C. I had read some reviews I had watched some YouTube reviews of the saddle bag where people had the guitar strap on this part, and they did say that I think like the metal like rubbed off or got scratched. So I'm not sure if that will happen with this new one. So definitely something I'll be looking out for. But for now, let me just take this off. Okay. So yeah, the saddle bag has one large pocket back here, which it does fit your phone. And then it has a magnetic opening. And inside you can see it looks like this. So I can take the things out. Okay. All right, so inside, I don't know if you'll be able to see this, but it just says Christian Dior, made in Italy on like that little tag over there. And then there's one small zip compartment, and you can see that the bag, it does have this crease, and you can see where it comes up in the bag over there. So yeah, and the inside is just kind of like microfiber of the same color. So I will probably want to get protection for that since it is very light colored. And then it also comes with the authenticity card, I'm assuming. Yeah, it just comes with like this little card and a care booklet. Yeah, very excited about my new bag and also my new shoes. You can see there is a white theme going on here. I know this is probably not like what you think of when you think of winter, since it is getting to the colder months, but I am very excited to style this and, you know, just be careful because I would worry about color transfer on the back of this. So I probably won't be wearing this with like super dark colored things, but even like this top I could definitely wear it with. And yeah, I do like a winter whites look. So very excited to style this in the upcoming months and excited to add my first Dior bag to my collection as well as my first white designer bag. So lots of firsts here. So yeah, I hope you enjoyed this video and I will see you next time. Bye!